I want to try out some new products and I'm going to be using... Hi you guys, welcome back. So excited to be in my new studio, beauty room, office, whatever you want to call it. I'm still working on a few things like the lighting. Today I'm going to be reviewing some sleek makeup. We have a new eyeshadow palette, a highlighting palette, an eyeliner. So if you love all things makeup, then stay tuned. Welcome back. Hey. So today I want to try out new makeup. If you haven't heard about Influencer, let me spill the tea, darling. Influencer is a really cool website where you can go look up products, review products, read the reviews on products. It's a really helpful website, and not only is it helpful, you can also be selected to review products for them. On my profile, they know that I love makeup. I received this box from them, and you've seen influencer reviews on my channel before. I highly suggest you sign up if you haven't. So let's go ahead and jump into these products. They sent me their When the Sun Goes Down eyeshadow palette, their sleek makeup highlighting palette in Precious Charms, and it also looks like I got sleek makeup life proof 12-hour wear kohl eyeliner, 1242 blackmail. So before we get started with these products, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my eyebrows and I will be right back. So I've slapped on my brows and I've prepped my eye, and I just want to jump right into this eyeshadow palette, the Sleek Makeup When the Sun Goes Down eyeshadow palette. It comes with the mirror. These are them a little less washed out. This eyeshadow palette features a gorgeous cocktail of wearable nude shades, warm creams, soft golds, and shimmery browns that will take you from dusk till day. Doesn't list the price. It would be great if brands could list the price of their products for those of you who want to know. I'm going to go in with a transition shade. I'm going to use this brownish shade up here in the top row. Oh, this is a really dark brown. I'm just gonna have to make it work. Slap that into my transition. I've gotten so used to using the AINA palette, guys, that when I go to use other eyeshadow palettes, it's kind of really difficult when they don't have those transition shades that I've become accustomed to in that palette. This color is obviously a bit too dark for me for a transition, but we're gonna roll with it. I didn't want to use a shade that was too ashy, so just gonna make do. Okay, what I can say about it is that it's pigmented. I'm going to take this really pretty copperish shade onto a shader brush. So that color is really pretty. I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. I may have to turn my lighting down so that you can see this color. I'm going to take it about 2/3 of the way and just buff it out. I'll turn my lighting down for you so you can see that color just a bit more. Now I'm going to take this really pretty green shade right here. It's a darker green, and I'm going to stick that in the outer third. Kind of like a bronzy green. These shades are powdery, but I'm not getting that much fallout. I'm gonna take the same shader brush that I used for that copper shade and just blend that out. Not taking any more product. I really wish this palette had more transition shade options for me. The colors are pretty, but I do just wish it had like 1 or 2 more transition options for me. So now I'm taking the eyeliner, almost kind of charcoalish. I'm gonna pop that on. Ooh, it's smooth. It goes on really nice. So I'm really loving the eyeliner. The eyeliner, so good. Really matte, it's really smooth. It reminds me a lot of the Thrive Cosmetics eyeliner that I was telling you guys about. The perfect eyeliner to use to smudge it. Really liking this. And I actually do have some prices for you guys now. This eyeliner comes in 4 shades and it's $7. The eyeshadow palette is $12.99. So now I'm gonna go ahead and complete the rest of my eye look and my face makeup, and we'll come back when it's time to highlight. So we are back, and I did switch up my lighting just a little bit so that you can try to see this eye look just a little bit better. The colors are pretty, yes, but I'm just not feeling it because I didn't have the transition shade that I needed. I feel like if you're going to use this palette, you really should use a companion palette with it to get the transition shades that you need if you're of a deeper skin tone. Other than that, it's fine. The quality is good, and it's a nice palette. But for $13, I just expect a little bit more out of an eyeshadow palette. Now let's get into this highlighting palette. This is Sleek Makeup's Versatile Face and Body Precious Charms. It comes with one of these flat brushes that I've been seeing a lot lately in a lot of high-end palettes. Normally I wouldn't use this type of brush, but I am going to go ahead and give it a try. This highlighting palette includes 3 luxurious cream formulas and 1 shimmer powder. The iridescent metallic finishes add a radiant and luminous glow to the skin. And this one retails for $14.99 and comes in 3 different variations. And the shades are pretty. The creams feel really nice. The white one comes off like a pinkish color. Then you have a nice light gold and an even more shimmery gold. Those are the colors. It's the white pinkish color, the golden color, and this is a more shimmery golden. And I'm gonna take the shimmer powder onto the brush. And I'm a little afraid. That's not too bad. It's actually very nice and subtle. A little bit more on this side, a bit on the tip of my nose. Step that right down the center. Cupid's bow, and right here. Hit this look with a little setting spray. And that is it for this look. Guys, who am I? I didn't even put on lashes today, but I like the look without them, I can say. As far as the products from Sleek Makeup, really do like the packaging of the highlighting palette. It's really pretty. It reminds me a lot of the last one that I got from them. Actually, it was the silver one. I think this was the Distorted Dreams palette. This one's like a nice pewter shade. And the creams are nice. They feel good on the hand. I didn't swipe them on my face. The powder, it's more subtle than I thought it would be, and I actually like that. I don't like too much highlight. You guys know how I feel about the eyeshadow palette, and the eyeliner is definitely my favorite of the 3. Like when my Thrive Cosmetics eyeliner runs out, I'll probably get this one because this one is $7 and the Thrive Cosmetics one is a lot more. So this one is definitely a more affordable option to that one if I had to compare it to anything. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful for you. If so, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. The monthly giveaway is open, so if you guys are interested in entering that giveaway, I will link the video above so that you can do that. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. I love makeup, skincare, hair care, and I do lifestyle videos here on my channel. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, join the Brittany fam, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful. Mm.